There we go, guys. Uh-oh, something happened. I wonder what happened. But look how beautiful that car looks with them lights on. Yeah. It's cocking. I kind of have an idea why is it doing that. Let me take it off the road. Let me open up the hood. Kind of have an idea what's going on, because I see some stuff. Oh yeah, that's what it is, guys. Yep, that's what it is. I kind of figure it was that. So check it out, guys. Let me put it here in the grass so you can see what's going on. Guys, the motor, honestly, it's not even hot. But if you can see, the wiring is boiling. You see this right here, guys? Look at the solder. It's melting. You see that? The wire just came off by me just touching it. You see this, guys? So that's what really happened, guys. That's why it was cocking. It's just a white wire. Black looks good. Yeah, black one looks good, the red one looks good. It was just the white one. You see the solder came out. And the reason for the soldering to come out is because it overheats. Well, I guess it was already bad because the motor's not even hot, guys. Motor is not even hot. That's why it was cocking. You see that? Because this wire right here is off. The soldering came out. But guys, like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.